In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to renew government insurance online 2026, step by step. Many government-sponsored insurance programs now offer online renewal services, which makes it much easier to keep your coverage active without visiting an office in person. That said, the exact process can vary depending on your country, the agency involved, and the type of insurance you have. So in this guide, I'll walk you through the general online renewal process in a simple and practical way. The first thing you need to do is identify exactly which government insurance program you're enrolled in. This could be government health insurance, government vehicle insurance, government property insurance, or another public insurance program available where you live. Confirming the correct program matters because each one may have a different renewal portal and different requirements. Once you know which program you need, go to the official website of the government agency or insurance provider that manages your policy. On the website, look for options like Renew Policy, Renew Insurance, Member Portal, or Online Services. Make sure you're using the official site since that helps protect your personal information and reduces the risk of using an unofficial or incorrect portal. From there, log into your account if the website requires it. If you've used the portal before, sign in with your registered account. If you're a new user, complete the registration process using the policy or member information requested by the site. Next, enter your policy information. Depending on the program, this may include your policy or member number, a government-issued ID number, your date of birth, and your contact details. Take your time here and review everything carefully before moving on because even small mistakes can delay processing. After that, review your coverage details. Double-check your personal information, confirm the coverage period, and look over your benefits, premiums, and any policy updates. If your contact information has changed, update it now so you can continue receiving notices and confirmations. When everything looks correct, complete the renewal by following the on-screen instructions. This usually means confirming the renewal, paying any required premium or renewal fee if one applies, and then submitting your request. Keep in mind that some government insurance programs renew automatically if you still meet the eligibility requirements, while others require you to renew manually each year. Once your renewal is processed, save your confirmation right away. Download or print the receipt. Keep a digital copy of your renewed policy or membership, and save any confirmation email or reference number for your records. For the smoothest experience, renew before your coverage expires. Use only official websites or authorized portals. Keep your contact details current, and check your account or email for future updates. Renewing government insurance online is usually straightforward. Access the official portal, log in, verify your information, review your coverage, complete any payment if needed, and save your confirmation. Since requirements can differ by program and location, always follow the instructions provided by the official government agency to make sure your coverage stays active.